Let's count 1 to 10 together. This is number 1. 1. Teddy bear, this is number 2. 1. 2 cars, this is number 3. 1, 2, 3 dolls, this is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 little trains. This is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puzzle pieces. This is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils. This is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buckets. This is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 diggers. This is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons. This is number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 balls. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did amazing. Let's play again.
Welcome to Whisperwood. Come along again. Whisperwood, Kael and friends.
Let the fun begin.
Hooray! We've learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's go on a fun shopping trip with Kael, Lika, and Liv.
Let's go shopping. Kael, Liv, and Lika are here. What's on the list? Kael says we need 1 milk. He finds it in the fridge and puts it in the cart. Let's count 1 milk. Clap. Liv says let's get 3 apples. She picks them one by one. 1, 2, 3 apples. Yum, yum! Lika says we need 5 eggs. Very careful, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. Don't drop them. We need 4 bananas. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Wow! Now the shopping cart is full. Hooray! We did it. Hooray!
You did such a great job. That was so much fun. Now it's time to say goodbye. But don't worry. We'll see each other again soon in Whisperwood with Kael, Liv, and Lika waiting just for you. Don't miss an adventure. Subscribe!